welcome to the first episode of the Intermediate Guitar Player. Yep, that's me, that guy you hear about on the internet that every single ad seems to be for these days. Well, I decided to come out of hiding and let you see me, okay? So, today, on our very first episode, we're going to be opening this pretty baby. And I'm telling you right now, I have not played this guitar, I haven't touched this guitar, and I bought this guitar. I spent the last 5 months researching guitars. I wanted to buy a guitar for $1,000. I've never bought anything at that level. Intermediate guitar player. Currently, I own a EVH Standard, which I love, that I paid about $600 for. Great guitar. But I've always wanted to take that next step. So I started researching. I looked into lots of different guitars, and then I fell in love with the guitar. Literally. It was the one I wanted. It's this one right here. The new Epiphone Futuras. Loved it. Fell in love with it. I wanted a Les Paul style. This was beautiful. I love the paint job on it. I really wanted to give it a shot. But then I ordered it. And it was on back order until November. And I'm not a very patient person. So I remembered when I went to Guitar Center and I picked up an LTD. First time I'd ever touched one. I don't know which model it was. And I played it for just a little bit and was blown away by the guitar. I was like, wow, this is beautiful. It plays beautiful. So I decided at the last second to cancel my order for that Epiphone and decided to move on to this pretty baby. All right, let's open this thing up. Now, this guitar does not come with anything. There's no gig bag, which the Epiphone did come with. Okay, just a headstock. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I am impressed. This neck is so smooth. I usually do not like a painted neck at all. This is so slick. I love that paint job. Look at that gold on there. I love it. I love it. My wife's happy. Wow.